Welcome to Dream Bike, where we explore the latest and greatest motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Honda Rebel 500, a bike that continues to make waves in the world of cruisers with its sleek design and impressive performance. Let's talk about what makes the Rebel 500 so special. The heart of this bike is its 471cc parallel twin engine, offering smooth, consistent power that's perfect for both new riders and seasoned bikers. With 46 horsepower, it's ideal for city streets or open highways, giving you the flexibility to enjoy different riding environments. One thing riders will appreciate is the low seat height. At just 27.2 inches, the Rebel 500 is accessible for a wide range of riders, ensuring you feel in control and comfortable, whether you're on your daily commute or heading out for a weekend adventure. The 2024 model comes with some key updates, including new color options and a redesigned LED lighting system that gives the bike a modern, yet classic look. The minimalist style is still there, with blacked-out components adding a touch of aggression and sleekness to its overall aesthetic. Honda also focuses on rider comfort. The Rebel 500 comes with a light, easy-to-use clutch and a smooth 6-speed gearbox, making it a joy to ride, especially in traffic or when you're shifting frequently. The suspension is tuned for comfort, and the bike's lightweight build makes handling effortless, whether you're cruising through curves or navigating tight spaces. For tech lovers, the Rebel 500 doesn't disappoint. It features an updated LCD display with a gear position indicator and fuel gauge, providing all the information you need at a glance. There's also an option for an ABS variant, adding an extra layer of safety, especially for those who might be newer to riding or planning longer trips. In terms of customization, the Rebel 500 continues to shine. Honda designed this bike for personalization, with a range of accessories available to suit your style, whether you want to add a windshield, saddlebags, or change up the look with different seat options. If you're in the market for a versatile, stylish, and fun-to-ride cruiser, the 2024 Honda Rebel 500 should definitely be on your radar. Its combination of performance, comfort, and customization options make it a standout in its class. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Rebel 500, or if there's another bike you'd like us to cover. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.